forward, but with a clear head. Hey friends, Joe here. Let's be honest, in 2025, everyone's talking about new opportunities, but there's so much information out there, it's hard to know where to start, especially if you want to get into trading without getting lost in complicated systems. I've been trading for over 17 years, and I know how important it is to have not just theory, but a working tool. That's why in this video, I'll show you how I use my AI bot, an assistant that helps me analyze the market with more calm, clarity, and precision. No miracle promises, just a step-by-step demo of how this tool helps make data-driven decisions, not emotional ones. If you're just starting out or looking to systematize your approach to the market, watch this video to the end. I'll show you 3 key elements that help you navigate the process and begin learning without the overwhelm. Get comfortable. Let's get started. Before we jump in, let me say one thing. Sometimes we miss opportunities simply because we don't take the first step. But what if that step could be faster with a technology designed to help you understand the market? My AI tool was built especially for beginners. It helps you analyze data, highlights key areas to pay attention to, and makes the learning process much faster. It's not a substitute for your thinking. It's a support system while you're getting started. If you're curious to see how modern approaches work in trading, click the link in the pinned comment. Access is open and free, and you can start learning right away. Let's move on to the trading part. I've opened the platform to calmly work and analyze the market alongside the AI tool that helps me structure the data and monitor chart behavior. Right now, I have a list of pairs selected for observation. These instruments were chosen based on several technical characteristics, and today I'll be monitoring them throughout the session. I'm not using any additional indicators in this setup as the assistant performs basic technical analysis on its own. My task is to closely follow the situation and compare its suggestions with what I see on the market. This approach helps me stay engaged and maintain a calm mindset when making decisions. Preparation is complete. Instruments are selected. The assistant has started processing the first currency pair. Let's begin our observation. I'm now seeing a recommendation to pay attention to a potential downward movement. The bot has noticed that the price has approached a level where a trend reversal occurred in the past. A candlestick pattern has appeared that may indicate a weakening of buying pressure. This could signal the start of a correction. I open a position downward and continue watching the market closely. The decision was based on visual signals on the chart and the bot's additional analysis. Moving on to the next setup. This time, the analysis suggests a likely upward move. The price chart has shown a series of candles, one of which may indicate renewed buying interest. I also see that this zone previously triggered a reversal. Based on this, I decide to open a position upward. This is a moment that requires focus and calm. These setups are particularly interesting. Price behavior becomes clearer when analyzed calmly. So what do you think? Not bad, right? Every choice you make is a step on the ladder of opportunity. You can stay on the same rung, watching others climb, or you can pick up a tool that will help you move faster. That tool is my AI bot. In my trading community, you'll get access to the algorithm that helps eliminate emotional swings, solid strategies that are beginner-friendly, exclusive content, and market analysis that's already helping other members. By the way, access to my AI bot is completely free. A quick heads up, while you're thinking it over, others are already climbing. Click the link in the pinned comment and connect with my AI bot. Let's keep trading. The bot noted that the price has started to move slowly downward after a short rally. Previously, there was strong market activity in this area, and the price moved toward a certain range. I see this as a reason for a cautious entry downward and go ahead with the trade. So far, everything aligns with previous observations. Moving on to the next pair. A structure has formed on the chart where the price began rising after a brief pause. The bot indicates that the candles are becoming more defined and market sentiment is shifting. This may signal a renewed interest in buying. I open upward and stay attentive to how it develops. What matters here is not to rush, but to wait for confirmation from price behavior. Let's continue. The analysis tool suggests a possible decline. A candlestick with a long upper shadow is formed, often seen when an asset starts losing upward momentum. This could be an early sign of weakening demand. I open downward based on the current signals. These signs can be useful to observe. Let's see how this movement unfolds. The price approached a level and then broke through it to the downside. Such moves may indicate the market's intent to test the next price zone. The AI tool confirmed the trend. I open downward and monitor the ongoing development. Continuing to track chart behavior, everything is unfolding smoothly, which allows me to better observe the market structure. After a short pause, signs of upward movement began appearing on the chart. The price is gradually breaking local levels, and the candles have started changing color. This may signal growing interest from buyers. Based on this, I open upward. A great example of why it's important to stay calm and act consistently. Today's session gave us a chance to calmly observe how the market behaves in various situations. The AI tool helps organize information, but decisions are always made through analysis and a mindful approach. These observations help develop an understanding of how prices move and teach you to make decisions without rushing or pressure. So, how does it feel to trade? Every day is a choice. Stay where you are or try something new. The world is changing fast, and those who use modern tools find it faster to adapt and make more informed decisions. I want to share a tool that helps track market data and highlights key insights. It's not a magic button, it's a practical assistant, especially helpful for those who are learning and want to make confident steps forward. Discover a tool that simplifies market analysis. Get guidance based on real data, not guesswork. Learn at your own pace. Learn how to apply technology in your learning. If you want to give it a try, click the link in the pinned comment. Access is free. See you there.